baskets by Tanish. Hi friends, I have many toys. I'm very happy. Let's open and see once. My mom will help me and I'll open it. One by one. Come on, let's see. Shall we open one by one? Yes, let's open. Let's open and see. That to open. See? Now let's try to open like this. Friends, you need to try one more time. Careful with the scissors. Should not be hurted. Otherwise we will not come properly. You should take only elders' help. Wow! I love it. What is that? I don't know. Maybe it must be a binocular. Huh? What's that? Yes, it's a binocular. Let's see that through. Wow, so beautiful the glass. Binocular. How to see to the truth? It's very big. Huh? You can just see the red light. Oh wow! I can't see anything. Is that the light? Which is very big. I don't know. Wait. Look, let's open one more toy. Come on, open. Look, kids, let's try one more time. There are many toys. Let's try one more time. Look, you should be careful like this. How my mom is doing. You should not do it on the kids. So that's on the parents. Permission. If they say no, should not. If they say yes, you should. What's in it? Not near jellies. Wow! The toy is so nice. How to open the cover? This. How to open it? Why it's like that? Yes. Like that. Wow! It's going caterpillar. Look at its tail, it's shaking here and there. Coming. Here it go to bite. So fun. Let's open one more toy. It will be very big. Like this. We can't ever is very difficult. You should be careful how my mom is doing. One more time, let's try it. It's very big food this. I don't know how to open it. Let's see what's in it. It must be a big cover. Huh? Something. Boy. Wow. It's so beautiful. Let's fix it together. Look. We can click with these two changes balls. Look, there is blue and red. Let's put one ball. I love this ball. Let's put it in. Boy, it fell down. Hey, let's click it now. Okay. Wow, it's right there. Wow! Okay, let's play later. Let's open another door right here. It's very big. We can't see what's in. We have to open one more gift box and leave. Oh, what? It's very big. Guys, how to open it? We have to open it faster. How to open it? It's nice toy. Look, there's a gun. It's very beautiful gun. Now let's give it to Mom and open it. You open it. Let's wait once. It's about to open. Alright. Only backpacks are there. You should do some only the bad guys. You shouldn't. Look at this, there's some shells. Red shells. Then there's some red. Let's shoot it. This is the camera should be from there. We're adding two more. 2, 3. There is 1 minute. 3. And here is, wait, that's not proper. Look.
Bullets.
Bullets there. 1, 2, 3. Last one more. One more time. You should be careful. That's last time. Look, it's very beautiful. I love it. Now let's go to Mom. Let's see open it. wait for 2 minutes. It's faster, we can open it. Look, it's a very beautiful toy. Let's take out all the toys with in it. Wait, what is this? How can it fix? Look at this. Oh, the limo, Mom. Please help. We should put from this side. Then I'll go to hole and fill it. Grow the plants when I go morning. When I'm going to school, I'll put water. Sure. And if I'm going to beach, I'll take some sand castles. Look, let's give this to Mom. Look, there are many shapes like butterfly and a home. Only 2 shapes. Let's keep it. Look, we made a bye friends. I'll be busy playing with my toys. I'll see you next video. Bye bye.